Hey folks, how's it going? It's Robert here. I'm out here going to build a bird trap. A couple of them. I got some big pheasants in my yard. I'm just cutting some alders down to make the traps. I'm actually going to haul it out of the woods and make it out in the backyard. So I'm in here in this alder thicket. But anyway, I got a bunch of ringneck pheasants around here that are huge. So I'm going to start maybe trapping some. Anyway, this is kind of an urban setting in here. I'm surrounded all the way around. There's probably, I don't know, there's probably a 20-acre strip in here that's wood, but it's all like this, so it's pretty thick and it's pretty dense in here. But I mean, you can't hunt it. I mean, you could, but you're not allowed to fire a gun in here, so you'd either have to take it with a bow or but I'm gonna set some traps and see what we can do. See if I can't be eating some pheasants by later on this week. So we'll start off with the two biggest ones. These two. This is going to be for pheasants, so I want it fairly big. So here we go. I'm going to go about 24 inches. 2 feet. That's my measuring right there. I just went to get a cup of coffee, folks. There'd be no making fun of the mug either. My 12-year-old daughter gave it to me thinking it was funny. She's a real comedian. So I drink coffee out of it every day. It's the best coffee mug I've ever owned. It's good stuff. Okay, let's get this show on the road. Ouch. Cut myself the other day trimming some stuff out of the paintball field. It's kind of hurts a little. Oh, good there. These are great rigs. They work awesome for trimming and snipping. So I use them a lot. Pair of pruners. I usually carry a pair with me in the woods whenever I go. So they come in pretty handy. Make shelter construction pretty good too. So, what they say to do, so this here is just over 24 inches. So, I'm going to tie the two pieces off, here and here. Again, like I said, I showed you guys this stuff before. We buy this at the dollar store for $1.25. And what it is a knockoff paracord. It's got a cotton inner core that's woven and there's like 6 or 7 strands in there. It's about the same size as paracord, maybe a little bit bigger. But it'll only hold, it doesn't even register a weight on it. It'll hold my weight, but I would say it's probably 250 paracord, 150. You have to be really careful with it too. You don't want to use it to tie up hands or anything like that unless you triple it or double it up. So, but it's great to make traps and do another thing tying gear down. Plus it's cheap. So, maybe just tie her off on that. That's what we're going to do. It's not rocket science, so tie it off. all you do, put them underneath, stack them in, hold yourself into place. This.
Stretching pretty good now, so just the point where top back. Always sticks. I'll trim it down a bit too, maybe after I'm done. Small one. Pretty heavy, pretty easy to maneuver. I want mine fairly heavy anyway, so it's for pheasants.
There it is. It's fairly heavy. I don't know if it's big enough to catch a pheasant, but it's gonna come close.
Man, make trigger. Couple knots on this one, we'll cut off. Couple knots on. Be careful, right to sharp. Toggle part of the drop in. This is the hardest part.
So there it is, all trimmed up. Very, very touchy to set up.